I look forward to getting up and helping people. I look forward to getting out and making a difference in the world. When I head to work, I want to get myself in the right frame of mind. Going in with a situation where a customer's got a problem that they don't understand, they can't fix, and being able to get it taken care of for them. Being able to make someone's day better.
We put customers first, and we don't only say it, we actually do it, and we live it, and it's an everyday part of what we do.
I want to give the customer service that I would want to get if I'm going anywhere else. If you go into a fancy restaurant, you're going to expect good service.
Every service call is ran to a T with the system, so that we know every customer is getting the same level of customer satisfaction that they should, and appreciation that they deserve.
A lot of companies and a lot of people, they just look at it as a business, and we don't really do that. I look at it as these people have these homes that their families are in, and that they're dealing with these things that really can ruin their whole day, their whole week. It's really up to me, and it's up to all of us to put their life back together, which I think is a lot more important than just fixing something that's broken.
Expert diagnosis and trusted solutions is not just a slogan. We'll go into a call and have a problem, a leak in the ceiling per se, and that's a symptom. We want to get to the root of the problem.
It'd be like if you went to the doctor because you had a broke arm, and they splintered your arm, they put it in a cast, and they got you all back together and sent you home. And later on that afternoon, you fell again and broke your other arm because they never actually figured out why you fell down the first time. You can go into a customer's home and fix what is an immediate and apparent problem that's being caused by an underlying issue, and have gotten them no further towards a solution than before they hired you.
Some people might identify a problem and just stop there. We're going to go a little further. We train for the expert diagnosis every time, making sure that the technician's going through absolutely everything.
And you make sure it's done correctly, and you make sure the entire system's been diagnosed to make sure it's not going to happen again.
So we want to make sure that, at the end of the day, they're getting what they truly want. We're going to give them options to not just go back to par. We're going to give them options to make their problem better.
It's not going to be, here's the one way that we can fix it. It's here's the several ways we can fix it. Any of them are great options, but it's up to you to choose.
It's customer first. If you take care of the customer, everything else follows after that.
You're going to give your best foot forward every call, and you get your mind right before you get to the call. Every opportunity is a chance to make somebody's day better.
The plumbing problem, the heating and air problem is done. It's fixed, it works. Whatever you called us for is finished. But how you feel about the experience is the amazing part, and that is the doctor difference.